What is this? ये क्या छु? This is a table. ये छु मेज. This is a paper. ये छु कागज. This is a pen. ये छु कलम. Table, paper and pen in Kashmiri are masculine nouns. That is why we ask ये क्या छु? What is that? हो क्या छु? That is a door. हो छु दरवाज़. That is a fan. हो छु पंख. That is a curtain. हो छु पर्द. We use who to ask for things that are far away from us and is a masculine noun. In this case, door, fan and curtain are masculine nouns. What is this? ये क्या छ? This is a book. ये छ किताब. This is a shirt. ये छ कमीज. This is an ink pot. ये छ दवात. Remember, book, shirt and ink pot are feminine nouns. Therefore, we use छ. ये क्या छ? What are these? यम क्या छ? These are books. यम छ किताब. These are shirts. यम छ कमीज. These are ink pots. यम छ दवर्स. In this case, books, shirts and ink pots are feminine nouns but in plural form. Therefore, we ask yim kya छ? What are these? Yim kya छ? These are tables. Yim छ मेज. These are papers. Yim छ कागज. These are pens. Yim छ kalam. Tables, papers and pens are masculine nouns but in plural form. Therefore, we use yim kya छ. What are those? Hum kya छ? Those are doors. Hum छ दरवाज़. Those are fans. Hum छ पंख. Those are curtains. Hum छ पर्द. What is that? हो क्या छ? That is a watch. हो छ घर. That is a ring. हो छ verge. That is a chair. हो छ kursi. Watch, ring and chair are feminine nouns in Kashmiri. In this case, since we are talking about the question what is that, we are using the word ha, which means we are asking about a thing that is far away from us. What are those? Hum kya छ? Those are watches. Hum छ gare. Those are rings. Hum छ वाज. Those are chairs. Hum छ kursi. Let's do a quick recap. What is this for masculine is ये क्या छु? What is this for feminine is ye kya chhe. What is that for masculine is hu kya chu. And for feminine it is ha kya chhe. What are these for masculine is yim kya ch. What are these for feminine is yim kya chhe. And the last pair, what are those for masculine is hum kya ch. And what are those for feminine is hum kya chhe.